This is my Volkswagen T4 1.9 turbo diesel, and if you watch my previous video you would see that I actually swapped this for my Volvo 240 GLT. This thing is a complete blank canvas and we're going to do one epic build. We're going to do a camper van with a difference, full custom style. And if you're wondering what that looks like, here's the last one I built. The back of this van is a complete blank canvas, as you can see here, completely stripped out, so we can start from complete scratch on this build. So join me on this journey to see if we can make another epic camper ADHD custom style. The first thing that's going to definitely have to go on this T4 are these LED lights at the rear and these LED lights at the front. Not a fan at all. Right, I've just managed to score myself some really cool bits from the T4 on Marketplace. Managed to haggle a bit. I've got a couple of bits for the T4, so I'm just going to go and pick them up. It's currently Monday after a live in VW and I'm still hanging from the weekend. So yeah, anyway, let's go get these bits.
A few moments later.
And there we have it, picked up my bits. Some proper headlights for the T4. The clips are broken on them like they always are. I just need to order some online, the adjusters, but other than that, these headlights look bloody clean as well. We're happy with that.
3 days later.
Right, I've just got to a place where there's an old T4 and I'm about to start stripping bits off it for mine. Bits you wouldn't expect. I'll show you what I get when I finished. Okay, we are now back home. Oh, there we go. We are now back home with some goodies in the back of the van. I got some bits. I took an angle grinder to the side of the bloke's van. That was fun. Look what I got. I got me early T4 front bumper because I prefer it because of this lip here. If you see my old T4 here, then you'll see that these bumpers look so much better. Also got the rear, the three-piece one, that's the middle bit, that's there. And I also cut these two panels. Try not to cut my fingers open here. Cut these two panels out the side of his van. See these? Let me put it down a minute. See that? That is the metal panel that goes here. Because I don't want these windows in my van. If he'd have had all four panels, I would have took the lot. I want to turn this back into a van and have it as a camper van without windows, because these just look so much cooler without rear windows. And these rear windows are horrible. Look at them, they stick out so far. I don't like them. So I want to put, and yes, people are thinking, oh my god, that kind of van's got an amazing paint job on it. Why are you going to start putting panels back in? Leave it. No. This van's probably going to get ratted anyway. Knowing me. There you go, two rear panels. It's a start. Do not like rear windows in these. I've done a rear window thing on my last van, as you can see from the pictures, the videos that you've seen of my other van already. So there's some funky pieces we've got to go on the van.
The next day.
And as you can see here, I've got the headlights in. Do not worry about that weird horrible front skirt. I thought I'd try something. I actually bought that before I got the early bumpers, which I've not fitted yet. Yeah, I thought I'd trial it. I don't like it, so it's coming off. But as you can see, proper headlights in, none of that LED crap. And luckily, in stock, I don't know why I said stock, in my garage, I actually had some spare proper old rear lights. Right, now we need to sort the steering wheel out. Right, for one, the steering wheel when I'm driving in a straight line sits like that. Two, somebody decided to fit the horn button. Normally when you build these steering wheels, you bolt this on, then the horn button and all the plastics just pop in after the end. Somebody has sandwiched the horn between the boss and the steering wheel. So the horn didn't work. I was trying to get the horn out and I couldn't. It just completely ruined the horn. Half the horn has come away and it's still in there. So let me just try and straighten the steering wheel up. I'm going to have to take the steering wheel off of the Boss first, because I can't even... That's the back of the horn that's sandwiched between. I don't understand stuff, but I've just noticed that a lot of these look rounded as well. So this might be a really bad thing. Let me just see if I can get these out. Just as I thought, I've got all these out. There's always one. Oh, part of the horn. There's always one that never wants to come out, isn't there? So... But I think if I can get this undone on the back and pop these stupid NOS buttons out, look at this steering wheel, then I should be able to spin the steering wheel round and get to what I need to get to. Or, yeah, I don't know what they've done here. I don't know what the hell they've done here, but let me see if I can get this off. Okay, finally managed to get it off. I'm not sure what I'm looking at here, but this has got a weird collar with a button. What's this? Is what? Don't tell me this is one of them. Oh, what is that? Don't tell me this is one of them releasable steering wheels. The ones you press the button on the steering wheel. Why would you need that in a T4? Let me try and get this plastic centre out so I can see what I'm working with here. You are not going to believe what I've just figured out on this steering wheel. If I press this button here, twist. It's one of these stupid race steering wheels. Why do you need a racing steering wheel in a T4? What the hell? Right, I think I'm going to remove this and just bolt it straight to the Boss, because what the hell do I want that for? And there we have it. Somebody had fitted this racing quick release thing. That bolts to the Boss. Then you put this in to the steering wheel, and that goes in there, and it's quick release. You press the button, and it's for when you're racing your T4 on the track. We all do it. We all take our T4s to race on the track with our race snap-off steering wheels, don't we? What the hell? Right, so now, a bit windy today. Now I'm just going to bolt the steering wheel straight to the Boss itself, and hopefully, and then I'll be able to line the wheel up properly as well. So, oh, actually, that might even be in line. I see. That's what they've done. That's what they've done. Their Boss was in line, and they just... Anyway, let me bolt this steering wheel up. Okay, steering wheel is now on straight, and it's not wobbly anymore. And I've got rid of the stupid NOS buttons and the quick release steering wheel snap-off thing. I don't know what this fan was used for before I had it, but obviously, you know, it had NOS buttons and a snap-off steering wheel, so it must have been a full-spec race fan, obviously. Right, since I swapped this van, I've been over the entire van, looked around it, got underneath, I was looking for rust. And when you go looking for something, you find it, okay? It looks immaculate on the outside, the paint job's lovely, not for long. You know what I'm like. Anyway, I went over the whole van. To be fair, there's not rust anywhere apart from here. This is what I found when I was digging. Just pull this step up. There we go. A couple of rust holes there. Pretty simple to fill in, to be fair. I'm not filling, you know what I mean. Just going to cut this out and weld a new piece in. But other than that, the van's bloody good. Let's have a look in the back. In the back, there is glue on every surface. There's glue here, there's glue on the windowsill, there's glue, you can see it, look at it, there's just glue everywhere. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is strip out everything inside here and start from scratch. I'm thinking wood paneling down there. Anyway, that's what's going to happen in the back of this van. But for now, I just thought I'd show you basically where we're getting to. This is day one. Day one, we've already changed the lights, we've already sorted out the front lights, we're sorting out that steering wheel, going over all the little niggly bits day one, and then after that we'll start stripping it out. I'm planning on lowering it. Yes, you know me, I'm going to be slamming it, getting all the Scarface lowrider gear, suspension, all the suspension stuff like the shock relocation mounts and all that. This is going on its belly, this bus, so that's what's going to happen. I need to get some better wheels. I need to decide on the wheel choice on this van. And I've got to decide on the paint job. Yes, paint job. I know you all right now are thinking, the paint is immaculate, leave it alone. What are you doing, you bloody moron? No. I like to have a van that stands out. I like to have a van that's got a character to it. Right? And this is just a generic green van. But first things first, we're also going to be getting rid of these rear windows. I want to get rid of the middle ones as well at some point, but to start, we're getting rid of the rear windows. And I ain't no welder, and I've got panels. So what am I going to do? You'll have to wait and see, won't you? That is it for today's video on the van. You can see what we've got to work with in the blank canvas. We are about to start painting. It works. Anyway, thanks for watching, people. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, please head over and subscribe to me and go and check out some of my other videos and come with me on this journey of building a crazy ass vehicle. Anyway, people, cheers for watching. See you in the next one. Also, if you want to help support the channel, I've just created a Patreon thing. I don't really know what it's about, but I've just created one because that's what us creators do. Anyway, I've just created a Patreon. Go check it out. It's in my links on my page. Go over to my Patreon, join up, and be part of the ADHD Customs family. Go and do it, people. Go and join the family.